Hey guys, welcome to my videos. I hope you all are doing really well and taking ample care of your family. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can replace, or in other terms install, toilet seat, or you can even say toilet seat cover on your toilet. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, look at this. You see this has been broken, so that's why it's shaky. So we want to change it. Okay, it's pretty simple, nothing much, and you can do it at your own, at your home. You don't need any plumber to do this. Okay, the very first thing is to find out what kind of seat you have. There are like elongated one and regular one. So for me it's elongated one, so I have purchased an elongated seat too. You can easily find it at any hardware store, and you can also get it at any online store too. Next is to find the screw. So if you open this cover, you see there's a screw. Okay, and sometimes let me see if I can show you. If you see at the bottom, guys, you're gonna see this portion. Okay, this one, this is coming from it. So sometimes you may need to hold it when you actually rotate so that this comes out. Okay, so this you have to do at the both the sides, but this one is already broken, so it has taken out, so we don't need to worry about this. Only thing we need to do is to take this off. So you can use a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to use it. Okay guys, so now I'm in process. What I had to do first, I had to hold this, and then from after holding this I had to rotate this anti-clockwise, so this screw is getting off. Pretty simple. Now because it has been loosened a bit, so probably I can do it right away. Yeah, maybe I need to hold down once more that valve I had shown you. So I'm going to do this. This is what I had come out. So this valve was here on top of this screw, and at the bottom this was used to tighten it. Okay, so now this is ready, and now I'm going to take it off. Now you see they have been removed. Okay, now we'll work on the next seat cover. Okay, so I have kept the next seat cover, but for me I had this bidet also. So first I need to position the bidet, and then I need to put this on top of that. And mine, when you purchase something like Glacier Bay and other, they give you all the tools along with, so you don't need to buy anything extra for those. So these are the screws I'm gonna use it. So it's flathead ahead, and then we need to fasten it. Like, let me take this off. Okay, it's pretty simple. So same process, I'll put the bidet, and then I'll put this seat cover on top, and in the hole just make sure you position in a way that this screw passes through. Okay, so the screw passes through, and then from the bottom you can fasten it using this lock. So I'm going to begin this process. But before you do this, we need to do one more thing with this. You see these gaps? Okay, so this has to be plugged in, and I'm gonna plug in that. So you will get these with the tool. So just now, depending on the model and design, these things can vary, so nothing to worry, but just make sure you push them nicely. Okay, now these are ready. Otherwise, when you put the screw, if the gap is not proper, screw is not going to go through. Now you see screw is going to get locked. This is the main logic behind it. So now I'm all ready to put it back. So as you can see, I have put it here in the gap. Now this I'm going to put it from the back end. So I need to use both hands. From first hand I'll hold this, from the second hand I'll rotate this anti-clockwise. Okay, and then I'll use a flat head, and I'm gonna fasten it. Okay guys, I have done it at both the ends, and now it's done. Pretty simple, simplest method, so you can do it yourself. So thanks for watching this video guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.